Hey friends, welcome back to the Digital Income Lab. I am Jody, your host, and if you're looking for ways to earn money before you even land your next client, this one's for you. Today, you guys, we're talking about affiliate income for virtual assistants and how you can get started even if you don't have a big audience. All right, so this is one of my favorite passive income strategies because it's simple, it's authentic, and you really don't need your own product to start earning, okay? You really don't. So let's talk about this. What the heck is affiliate marketing anyway, right? So affiliate marketing is basically when you recommend a product or a service or maybe a tool and you earn a commission when someone signs up through your unique link, okay? So you've probably already done this, right? Without even realizing it. So have you ever said to yourself, "Hey, I use Canva for that," right? Or you've got to try Dubsado for contracts. Boom, you're already doing it, you guys. So now we just have to find a way to make it pay for you. So let's talk about why affiliate marketing is especially great for virtual assistants. Well, first of all, you guys, we're already using all of these tools every single day, right? In our work, in our client work. Number two is, you know what? We're recommending them naturally to our clients and our peers. Okay, because if we're finding a good tool and it's really helping us save time in our own businesses, and we know it can save time in our clients' businesses, especially if we're doing the service work of the client's business, right? Because we want to save ourselves time too. We're already want to recommend that to them, right? Because we not only do we want to do our best jobs with these tools, but we want our clients' businesses to flourish. That's why we're helping them. So we're recommending them. And number three, guess what? You are trusted for your opinions on systems and software. Okay. Your client is like putting their trust in you for these things because they know that you're the expert. They know that you are experienced in this area. Okay. And listen, you do not need to become a full-time content creator. Okay. This is something that you can build into your day-to-day workflow. Plus, some programs offer recurring commissions. So you actually can earn every single month for your referral, as long as they stay signed up, right? And hello, it's basically stacking your income. Very, very, very simple. Okay. So let's go through just a few tools that I recommend. And yes, I'm an affiliate for all of them because you know what? I actually use them in my business and I'm proud to say so. Okay. So the first tool, the best tool I've ever found, I actually found my home here, you guys. And you've heard me talk about this several times. Okay. But it's with Social Connector. Social Connector is basically a white label version of Go High Level, but it's for CRM, automation. It has a storefront. It has everything that you can ever imagine, okay? So that is my number one tool that I use in my affiliate marketing. So that's the other income stream that I brought into my virtual assistant business. You see what I'm saying? So there are ways to diversify your income without just bringing clients on, all right? Number two, you can become an affiliate for Canva Pro. Now you have to apply for it. The last time I looked, I think one of my students said, "Oh, that their applications are closed down," but that's okay. You kind of get the hint, right? But Canva Pro has templates and brand kits and design tools and all that. There's also Dubsado. Dubsado is used for invoicing and contracts and forms and automations. They also have an affiliate program. All right. There's different done for you programs out there. There's something called Love Marketing Team. There is Digital Wealth Academy, you guys, which is a high ticket affiliate system. But and also Business in a Box from Social Connector, okay? And it's great for marketing training and passive income skills. There's so many out there, you guys, all right? These are just a few of the ones that I added onto my business. I wanted to find a way to create multiple income streams without bringing on extra client work. And this is what I did, you guys, all right? So if you're interested in any of these, just let me know. And you can find some of your own as well, okay? There's lots of them out there. And guess what? Most of these have sign-up processes that take less than 10 minutes. So it's not like it's going to take you tons of time and tons of research, okay? And that's why I recommend them here because, you know what? I want to help my students. I want to help fellow virtual assistants who are looking to add income streams onto their businesses without, bringing on additional clients or additional client work. Okay. So I've done all the research for you. I've done it all. And now I'm just going to pass this information along and you can do whatever you want with this information. All right. So I want to talk a little bit about how to find affiliate programs. Okay. So here's how to find out if a tool has an affiliate program. So you're basically just going to go to their website. Okay. And just scroll to the footer of the company's website, all right, and look for something. It's probably going to be in small print on the bottom usually, okay? It'll say like affiliate or maybe partners, okay? Another way is you can just Google the company and like put their name in there and then put the word affiliate program right inside the search bar, okay? That's another way that you can look. Also, if you already use the tools, okay, just log into your account and check your dashboard. because some platforms offer built-in referral links. Okay, so just take a look around inside of your account. All right. And so I had a little bit of an action step here for you today. Okay. So I want you to think about this. All right. If you're really serious about, affiliate marketing and building some additional income streams onto your business, I know that I am. I'll take passive income any day, right, you guys? This is what I want you to do. I want you to pick 3 tools, just 3, that you use every single week in your client work, okay? Or in your own business. It doesn't even matter. And take a couple minutes and just research whether or not they have affiliate programs, okay? And that's your starting point, okay? Then, got to figure out where to promote your links, okay? And this is a lot of time where people really overthink this, okay? Because you do not need a big, huge audience to be successful in affiliate marketing, all right? And I'm going to give you 7 different places that you can actually promote your affiliate links as a virtual assistant. Number 1 is your client onboarding documents. You can include a tools that I recommend page. Simple. You can just design that like in a Google Doc or in Canva. Doesn't matter where, okay? Number 1. Number 2, in your welcome email sequences for new clients, you can also include, here's the tools that I use, or you can have like a little footer that you reuse over and over and over that has your affiliate links on it. Number 3 is to provide them in your Instagram stories with a simple thing like, I use this, like a text layover, okay? Yeah, I use this tool every day. Do you want information? Drop the comment, CRM below, something like that, okay? Also, number 4, your social media bios. All right, so this is like your link tree or your milkshake or what else? What are the other ones? Stan Store. Okay, there's lots of different link trees out there, social media bios out there, but you could put the links right in your social media bios, okay? The 5th way is a resources page on your website. Very, very simple, okay? Number 6, if you have a blog, okay, you can put them in your blog posts. You could also put them in carousel posts on Instagram, all right? Or maybe in your video tutorials, right? If you're ever doing some video tutorials for clients, look, you never know, you guys. Like maybe you want to train a client. Maybe you're setting up a system for them and they're like, I don't know how to use it. You can create little video tutorials for them and you could even mention them in there, okay? And the last one, which is number 7, is include it in your email signature. All right. Like you could say something like, I recommend Social Connector, and then you can put the link to it. Okay. And then the last one is, and I didn't include it in the numbers, but don't forget about DMs, right? So when someone asks you, hey, what do you use for your scheduling, right? You just simply send your link. That's it. And this is actually called in context promotion, right? It's organic. It's really casual. And you know what? It really works, you guys. It really does. Especially when you're building relationships in your DMs, okay? All right, so I'm going to throw a little bonus in here for you today, okay? We're going to talk about increasing your earnings, okay? Because we all want to increase our earnings a little bit, don't we? And if you watched my video from last week, the episode from last week, we talked about giving yourself promotions. Go back and watch that, you guys. That's what we want to do as VAs. We want to increase our darn earnings, don't we? So if you want to take it a step further, this is what I want you to try, okay? Here's some pro tips I'm going to give you, all right? So number 1, you have to go back and do some tracking, all right? So track your clicks, and you can use a free tool. Now, there's different free tools, like there's Bitly, there's a lot of different ones, but Social Connector, you guys, that's why I freaking love it so much. They actually have a tool that can help you monitor which links are performing. Yeah, can you believe it? It's not hard for me to believe anymore because Social Connector encodes everything. So number 2, the second way that you can increase your earnings is to batch your content, you guys. And then you can create something like why I use this tool video and just repurpose it everywhere. You guys, I'm telling you, that's what saved me hours of time. So make sure that you're batch creating your content, okay? And then you can, just create this content around like your programs that you're an affiliate for, okay? And save them somewhere and repurpose them. Repurpose them as reels, repurpose them as stories, okay? Number 3 is to really make it personal, okay? Just share what you love about the tool. And don't just repeat what the sales page says, okay? When you're using the tool, if there's something that it really, really helps you with, it genuinely helps you, just share that value and just make it personal for yourself. It's your story, okay? It's perfect. And then number 4, the 4th way to increase your earnings is to actually use screenshots or actual results, okay? So you could show like a before and after, like using the tool, okay? Why? Because this builds trust. People are going to see, wow, she actually uses that tool and is helping her in her business. Okay. And I want you to remember that some of your affiliate earnings may take time to build, and that's okay. Okay. Because you're planting seeds. But once you do build them, they often keep paying long after the original post. All right. So just trust that process. All right, you guys. So I'm going to do a quick recap. All right. So first of all, number one, you are probably already doing affiliate marketing. All right. You might just not know it yet. And number two, as a virtual assistant, you are perfectly positioned to earn commissions. It's so perfect. It's the perfect revenue add-on. Okay. Number three is to start with the tools that you know and you love. Okay. As virtual assistants, we're using tools all the time. Why would we not want to get paid for recommending them? Right? It just makes sense. And number four is just promote them naturally. Okay. And promote them in your content and your conversations and your emails and, all the things that we just discussed today. All right. So that is it for today, you guys. Now, if you want a full list of the affiliate programs that we talked about today and the ones that I use, just drop affiliate in the comments. I'm also going to give you my affiliate program link down below. And you can incorporate that into your virtual assistant business just by sharing it and earn an affiliate income. Oh my goodness gracious. It comes with a full guide and it's just amazing. I'm just so excited about this affiliate program. And I'm excited about affiliate marketing in general, just because it's a great way to add that additional income onto your business without the overwhelm and without adding more clients and having to work tons of extra hours. All right. So that's it. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in again today. And I will see you next week for the next episode. All right. Bye.